Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Langsaw. Hey everyone, welcome to another journey into the heart of nature. Today we are headed to the cool hills of Meghalaya, a natural air-conditioned paradise just a couple of hours from Guwahati. Stick with me as we explore why this place is so refreshing for the body, mind and soul.
Remember that viral Instagram reel? It says, just feeling like a wow. I love the blast of the cool breeze. Wow. The perks of being a rider on a good road. Here you enjoy the beautiful curves, good road, pleasant weather. What more you need? Enjoy the ride, stay alert, feel the cool breeze blasting on your body. Forget everything and just be at the moment. You and your motorcycle becoming one, gliding on.
As I ride through the rolling hills of Meghalaya, the air shifts. It's cooler, fresher, and so soothing. But have you ever wondered why Meghalaya feels so much cooler than Guwahati, even though they are so close? Well, the secret lies in the altitude. Shilong, the capital of Meghalaya, sits at an altitude of about 1,525 meters above sea level, while Guwahati is only 55 meters high. As the altitude rises, the temperature drops by about 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1,000 meters. That's why even in the summer, Meghalaya feels like nature's own air conditioner.
Welcome to the beautiful Shilong Highway. It must have rained before. The road is wet and I have to keep my leg literally up like this because I'm on a casual dress today, not on a full riding gear mode. Feeling very cold. At the same time, I'm enjoying here because Guwahati is very, very hot and humid. Way to Shilong, and this is Umsning Mawrong. Umsning Mawrong Road. Wow, Saktiman. Wow, beautiful trees. Ooh, this is next level. The best thing about here is there is no humidity. Feel very chill and good.
Riding through these villages, the sight of vibrant green rice fields takes your breath away. It's not just the beauty that grabs you. These fields are the lifeblood of the community. They remind us how self-sustaining these villages are, providing for their basic needs straight from the land.
Paddy field stretches still the foothills. Bamon Farms Resort and Fun Park.
And after a beautiful 2-hour ride from Guwahati, I finally arrived at Bamon Farm in Umsning. This place is a hidden gem tucked away in the hills, offering the perfect retreat with its swimming areas and serene environment. It's the perfect spot to cool off and soak in nature. Here at Bamon Farm, surrounded by the peaceful nature, it's easy to let go of the stress of daily life. Whether you are here with family or solo, these moments offer so much more than just relaxation. They are a powerful remedy for both body and mind. Outings like this help us reconnect with ourselves, recharge, and remind us why we do what we do. Studies show that spending time in nature reduces stress, boosts your mood, and improves overall mental well-being. Activities like swimming and hiking also keep you physically fit, while being surrounded by nature provides the mental clarity we all need to refocus on our goals and purpose. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you ever need a break from the hustle and bustle, you know where to go. Up into the hills of Meghalaya, especially for those who are in Guwahati, where nature works, it's quite magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.